What's up, guys? It's your girl Mama T, and I come to you today with an unboxing. Today and last night was the new moon in Pisces, and so I thought it would be a really cool time, and these came today, so I was like, perfect timing for me to do a little unboxing and a little reading with these Moonology cards. Now, these cards are an oracle deck. They're by Yasmin Boland, and the artwork is by Nyx Rowan. And like, this is real deal. We're opening these live and in person. I know and respect so many different tarot readers that use these cards, and so I'm super excited to get this. I literally, the spirit told me to order some moon oracle cards, and so I literally just went on Amazon, ordered the first thing, put it in my cart, didn't even look at it, nothing, just was like boom we're gonna get these. And then it ended up being this deck, and this deck right here, some of my favorite tarot readers including Moonology uses this deck, and my mother-in-law reminded me of that, and I was like, oh, this is the same deck. So I am super excited to be using this. Okay, so first glance, it's beautiful. The box is beautiful, and these were not expensive at all. Like, for oracle cards, these were very much on the affordable side, so I love that. Everything's affordable to me because I don't live in lack, but just in case other people are still pocket watching a little bit, you know, these are at a good price. So first impressions, the backs of these are beautiful with all the moon phases. New moon is on the bottom, of course, and we're going through a new moon right now. Okay, so let me, oh, my finger's bleeding. Let me do a little shuffle, and then we will get a little message from these cards. They're beautiful. New moon in Capricorn. I love these. Okay. Moonology Oracle. What message do you have for us? What would you like us to know during this new moon in Pisces? You are beautiful. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you for aligning me with this deck. Let's see here. Okay. We'll take that, but we'll take that one too. Okay. New moon came out again. LOL, that's so funny. So new moon, a new start is coming, and full moon in Capricorn, the end of a tough cycle approaches. I love that. Okay, let's see what they've got. Okay, new moon. There's a yes coming your way. This is one of the most auspicious cards in the deck. It's totally positive and suggests something new and exciting is developing. The situation you're asking about is blessed, and you're on a target to achieve your goals. The message from the universe is that starting all over again in some way, be that on a new or better course, or just feeling more positive about achieving your desired outcome. If you've been feeling stagnant, this card reminds you that life goes in cycles, and you're moving into a new cycle now. This is the time to wipe the slate clean. If the situation you asked about has become toxic, either that will clear up now, or something totally new and fresh is on its way. I'll see it when I believe it, is the attune to the moon. And additional meanings for this card are: a new start's on the way. You will soon start to feel more hopeful about getting what you want. Your belief that your dream can manifest is working well, and forget about the past. Okay, new moon. Okay, and then let's see, full moon in a Capricorn. I'm a Capricorn rising, so of course this feels very personal to me, I guess. Okay, so this is: how hard are you willing to work for what you want? The card is reminding you that effort is required. Work issues may be about to come to a head when this card comes up. If you're wondering if you should stay or leave your job, this card can be a strong sign to make an exit. The end of a rough time is in forecast. This card also asks you to consider how ambitious you are and whether you're prepared to pull out all the stops to make your professional dreams come true without being ruthless. With a love question, this card can be called to face reality. Whatever situation you're asking about, making a plan will help. If your personal life is troubled, prioritize it more. Release control and trust the universe. A professional project may be ending now. Admit if you have been overly hard-headed or over hard-nosed. Find a balance between your personal and private life. It's time to stop fearing the worst. Okay, so you have a cycle closing and you have some new beginnings coming in, and you have to be okay with that cycle close. Actually, you don't have to be okay with the cycle closing. Technically, you have free will. But the ability to know that the cycle closing is something that is good for you is very important here in this new moon. New moons are about, like they said, about new clean slates, a new start. And so you really have to trust that the new start that the universe is leading you to is what is meant for you, and it's going to be so beautiful, even if it's not exactly your plan, because sometimes we are meant for bigger and better and more broad things and more expensive things that we can't even comprehend in the moment. And so sometimes doors closing are doors opening, and we don't always realize that. And I really feel like that's the power of what this new moon is trying to say. So thank you. I love this deck. This is such a, I already resonate with it. It's such a powerful deck. Thank you so much, Spirit, for this message, and thank you for joining me. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. If you would like a private reading, the link is in my bio. Y'all have a great rest of your day.